Good morning everyone. So here's my update of my YouTube channel. By the way, first of all, kumusta po kayong lahat mga besh? Kahit saan man tayo ngayon naroroon, lahat ng mga kapwa ko ka-OFW, kumusta naman kayo dyan? Mag-iingat po tayong lahat mga besh. Shout out to all my subscribers, my viewers, and to all my new followers. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share. Mga besh, stay safe always everyone. We pray all together na matapos na maging okay na ang lahat para lahat tayo ay maging maayos na at magkaroon ng kapayapaan at peaceful ang buong mundo, ang buong bansa mga besh. So don't forget to pray always mga besh. By the way, thank you for watching. Anyway, anyhow. Kahit saan man tayo ngayon naroroon mga besh, please support my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. God bless us all. Bye-bye.